Hello, Dobby. Hi. Good morning. What can you see in the picture?
Baby cup.
Yes, a small cup and a big cup. What is this? A stapler. A small stapler and a big stapler. And how about this one?
Small slicer.
Big eyeglasses. What is this?
Scissors.
A big scissors and a small scissors. And this one?
Present.
Yes, it's a present, a gift box. This is a big
And
present and this is small present. How about this one?
shell.
This is a seashell. Big seashell and a small seashell. Can you circle the small cup? Dobby, can you help teacher circle the small cup?
Okay.
Please. Okay, let's circle the small cup. Where is the small cup?
There.
Circle, circle, like this. Round, circle. Can you circle the big stapler? Big stapler. Circle, circle. Can you circle the big eyeglasses? Circle. Can you circle the small seesaw? Small seesaw. Circle. Can you circle the small gift box? Small gift box. Good job. Can you circle the big seashell? Circle. Let's do circle. Big circle. Circle. Wow, great job. Clap your hands.